Hello? Well, I can see that you've been very good this year. I'll be sure to have something special for you in your stocking. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
To my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jessica. I just wanted to say Merry Christmas to everybody. I know I'm a little bit late here on YouTube, and I know I was supposed to try to get this up obviously before Christmas, but let me tell you guys, I have been so busy. We hosted Christmas Eve here with my family. We had like 16 people. So yes, this is going to be a Christmas tour after Christmas. However, I did promise people that I was going to get one up so that they can see everything I did this year for Christmas. I really wanted to make it special this year for everybody. So it is my fiance and I that live here. We have a 1-bedroom, 1-den condo, so it's nothing too fancy, nothing too huge. And then we do have our son, Danny. He is our cat. He is a orange tabby. He's very spoiled. If you guys like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit your subscribe button and turn on your bell so that you're notified every time I upload. And let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm just going to start off with the entryway. Yes, we do have carpet. We do plan on getting wood floors. But I just wanted to do the entryway really cool. I have these cones from Michael's, and then I put that garland on that's also from Michael's on the railing. And then I had some tea lights and some mirror coasters that I got from the dollar store. And you saw this guy in the beginning of the video. He was really fun. We have this ladder shelf in our living room. We do have another one as well on the other wall. Just put some lighting on it, and of course some cute Christmas decor items that we got in Geneva, Illinois actually. And then this is just an overview of the house when you come up the stairs. So this is what everybody sees when they walk in. On the side of the wall is where I added some extra seating. And these chairs are from HomeGoods, as well as that table. And the rug is actually from Five Below. And then there is the other ladder shelf over there, of course, with just lights and decorations on it as well. So then we're just going to go ahead to the couch area. This couch we got at the Room Place. It is just a gray comfy couch with this clear coffee table with that candle in the middle. The pillow and blankets are from Michael. And then this is the fireplace area over here. So we don't have a mantle or anything around the fireplace. This is something we definitely want to update as well. So I did my best to make it look pretty and glam. And then right over here, you guys are going to see this cute lamppost that we got in Geneva as well. It really brought the Christmas vibe to the living room. So you can obviously have it inside or outside. I chose to have it inside. So this is my dining room area, and I love this table. I actually got the idea to decorate this table from Amber Scholl. I'm sure you guys know who she is. I watched her video on this that she got inspired by Kylie Jenner, and I basically just went out and kind of did my own thing with it. So all of my decorations are from Z Gallery, Michael's, and the Dollar Tree. So as you can see, I did some icicle lights all around the dining room. I thought that would be such a great idea just to make it feel like we were in, I don't know, Santa's house in the North Pole, just because as you can see, Santa's right there. I got him at Walgreens for $15, definitely a deal. I also got that candy cane at Michael's, and then that table right there had all of the desserts on it when we had our guest. And this is the kitchen area. As you can see, I just put some blinking lights on the counter area. I was very excited to do this. This is actually an idea I got from Bargain Bethany here on YouTube, and it is a hot cocoa bar. I had some hot cocoa, some marshmallows, some peppermint spoons, peppermint candy canes, all the kind of stuff that you want to put in your hot chocolate. We had some whipped cream in the fridge, some cute little Christmas mugs over there, and that was obviously the focal point of the kitchen. And then this is going to be our second room that we have in our condo, and all I did in here was just put, of course, another Christmas tree and some lighting on the wall. Now what I did on the night of Christmas Eve when I had the party, I brought in the outdoor patio furniture that we have, and I set it up in that room, so it basically just looked like another living room set. And so we had another room that had seating in it for everybody, and it actually worked out and looked really nice because I put blankets and pillows on it. And then this is what this tree looks like. that's just my little desk area over there. So this is the guest bathroom. Didn't do too much. Have that little Christmas light tree, the Christmas sign. I put some red flowers on the mirror and then had this cute little Christmas tree with red flowers and red lights on it. Our bedroom's nothing new. You've probably seen this before if you follow me, just lights and that Christmas tree. And then this is our bathroom and our bedroom. Once again, didn't go crazy. Just have a Christmas shower curtain and then some Christmas signs up there. And then I did the same thing with the flowers on the mirror. I just kind of draped them over. And then this is the focal point of our living room, other than the Christmas tree. We absolutely love this piece. It is our entertainment system. We got it from Wayfair. It's that like beat up old barn type feel, so we really, really love it. Star up here, and then all of the pretty ornaments. Now, of course, a lot of this stuff is just put in there. So like these are from Michael's, and I just kind of stuck them in the tree. Same thing with this one right here on this side. Those are the same flowers that I put in the other tree, that I just kind of popped them off the top of the bouquet that they came on and put them in the tree. And then I have a mix of ornaments. So we have like regular sized ornaments that I got from Michael's. Once again, they're like a rose gold, silver, some of them are like more of like a matte rose gold. And then I have some larger ones. So I feel like these are like medium sized. So I got some medium sized ornaments right here. And as you can see up there. And then I actually wanted to add in some of the very large ornaments that would probably, I think they're meant to be for like outdoor trees. And I just wanted to add a few on my tree inside, because it really, I don't know, just gives a tree like something a little extra. And I don't know, I guess you might have to be here to kind of see it. It just, I don't know, it really just makes it look like it's one of the trees that's like in the mall, you know, that's on display. And then of course I have all of the glitter ribbons. So I've got like silver, we have some gold, and then I have some pink in there. And then we have some ornaments that we picked up in Geneva, like this one was super cute. Of course, I love this one. It goes with the whole shabby chic vibe. I think we have another one up there. So got some other like flocked decorations here. I originally wanted a flocked tree this year, but we found out that the chemicals from the flocking can actually be poisonous to animals. So if you have an animal that licks or chews anything and there's flocking on it, then you don't want to have it around because they could die. So obviously we decided to not get that tree and just keep this one for this year. Alright guys, so that is it for my home tour slash Christmas tour. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully this gives you maybe inspiration for next year, because I know I'm a little late on this. And don't forget, you guys, to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! So Danny decided he wanted to join us for this part of the video. So this is going to be, well, Danny, can you please not be annoying right now? We're trying to film a video. Is this gonna be Danny's channel or Mommy's channel? You gonna get me more views? Huh? More views? Huh? Hello. Oh, hello. He's not camera shy, is he? Hey, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas